Hi there, today I'd like to take a look at this lightning cable. It's the lightning to USB cable. It's supposed to be 6 feet, extra long, extra strong cable. It's not MFI certified, but I actually didn't have any problems with using it. I've been connecting it to my iPad Air 2, iPad mini, iPhone 5S. And what you get is, it says 6 feet, but I measured it a few times, and I'm measuring it out to be 6 foot 7 inches. So, I don't know if I got an extra super long cable, but this is what the cable is like. And this is an OEM cable, so I'm going to compare. What I really like about this cable is that it's one of the few cables that I've run into where the housing here at the tips is almost the same as OEM. So right here you can see the OEM cable is on my right and the Cellekt cable is on the left, and it's slightly thicker, the housing is, but not by much. So this has a very slim housing, which is perfect for those aftermarket cases and such that don't like it when you use an aftermarket cable with a really thick housing. Here's this tip. Once again, this one's OEM, and the extra long Cellekt one is on my left. And it's very, very similar. It has a very similar, that soft rubber feel, but it does tend to kind of kink more. Like the OEM one won't kink. It has a bounce back versus this one that doesn't have, it doesn't spring back into place. So that's a difference. But it's worked really well with all my devices without any errors. So if you need an extra long cable, especially one that has a slim housing on it, this one has been working great for me. That concludes my review. Thank you for watching.